own skin like. Now I'm going to use my BYS palette, the Sweet Chicks Face Palette. So, kukunin ko lang itong medyo light na pink. Ganon. Tap the excess and put it right here. Smile, then lagay mo dyan sa cheekbone. But, told ya. And now I'm going to use this OGFS eyebrow. You know guys, ang ginagawa ko kapag malungkot ako is ganito. Nagmi-makeup ako and nagbi-video and nagsasalita sa harap ng camera. So gagawin lang natin natural yung kilay natin. And now I'm going to use this Wambo. Wambo pala yun, di Jumbo. Finger. Kasi may parang shining effect to, so this is why I love it. Diba? Nakikita niyo yung glow?